Good day. Alright, so I just got back from Guitar Center and picked up the Maschine Mikro, Native Instruments. It's a smaller of the three machines, but it comes with the same software, so yeah, I just have the regular Novation Launch Key 49. It cost me a cool $374. Ka-ching, FOPB money counter. But you get the hardware, you get the machine software, you get complete 11 select, and they've got like some deal going on where you get 7 other free instruments. So this is the unboxing for this wonderful piece of equipment. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, ooh, first person point of view. Very nice. Okay, so this is the box. This is my little handy dandy opener. Dave, if you're watching, compliments of PD, box opening. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Yeah, I gotta unbox this a little better. I'm doing a terrible job. This is the front. This little salt packet. Ooh. Oh yeah, very nice. I got one with the white version. Very nice. 16 pads, and then it's got our little control pads and whatnot. I watched a couple videos on this, but I'm really not like very well versed in Native Instruments or any of that. I'm really excited to crack into this and see what kind of sounds they've got. They look really cool. Alright, and then inside the box, it just has a welcome to machine, our software, download codes or whatnot. I'm hoping this would come with a USB, or like a external hard drive or something with complete and then the machine software, but I guess not. But I did pick up this a couple weeks ago. It's a little 2 terabyte portable hard drive, so that should be good enough to hold all my instruments and stuff. This is just a little USB to MIDI connection though. And then we got some stickers. Awesome. Save them. I never sticker things, I always hoard the stickers, I don't know why. These are the stickers you get though. That's the unboxing, so hopefully you'll be hearing some better beats or a little bit better production for the next couple videos. Thanks for watching.